Hello, David Harper, Head of John Pye Technical. John Pye Technical was founded some 5 years ago, and we operate from our main technical hub in Marchington, Staffordshire. In addition, we have technical triage centres across all of our sites, including our recently opened one in Zaragoza, Spain. We provide repair, refurbishment and data cleansing services to all of the electrical and electronic products consigned to us from our various vendors. The services that John Pye Technical provide are unique within the auction industry and will enable us to provide a route-to-branch solution for all of our clients' needs. Our well-established methods enable us to achieve the highest financial realisation at auction for our clients' stock, all whilst taking care of our clients' legislative and compliance requirements. I'm responsible for the day-to-day operations of a technically diverse team, ensuring that they're prepared for every job they face. Another part of my role is that I provide client management support to our business development team. If I was to summarise my role in one sentence, it is to support the needs, fears and aspirations of our clients, our staff and the great John Pye business. Since its inception, John Pye Technical has faced a many and varied array of technical products coming through our workshop areas. If I was to pick one in particular, and it's not a peculiar item, but a very, very interesting item when you see it being tested in a closed environment, would be drones, especially the high-end ones and particularly the military type drones that we are exposed to. We are currently working with a number of waste management companies on the repurposing and resale of industrial and consumer electronics. The stock involved in these various projects ranges from small box items like mobile phones through to huge robotic arms, all of which we were able to place into resale environment, having been previously designated as for landfill waste. Given the very strong ESG ethos of the John Pye business, these are excellent partnerships to be involved in, and we see this as a massive way forward for our business. In addition to the normal workflow coming through the laboratory area in Marchington, we've also been working on several large projects generated from our business assets team. We have been involved in a number of high-profile jobs, including the Wilco and more large administrations. I have a great belief in client retention and the organic growth that can produce. This, coupled with the generation of new vendors, will be the main target for the next 12 months. We are currently targeting brands within the consumer electronics and IT industry with regard to expanding our repair and resale opportunities. In addition, we will also be promoting our also eco-friendly parts harvesting service, all of which are very hot topics currently within the consumer electronics and IT industries. The Italian lakes. I always refer back to something my dear old dad used to say: always arrive home at night knowing you've put a shift in. Last book I read was A Cup of Teeth by an author called Nick Degg. Any charity associated with dementia and also the Salvation Army. The only thing I would binge is anything football related and podcast and football related. I think the hot topic at the moment for everyone, but particularly myself, is AI and the effect it will have on our lives, both for good and evil. James Bond 007. I would obviously want to take the good lady wife with me, a plentiful supply of Staffordshire oatcakes and a Roberts radio just to pick up on the football commentaries. Both. Sustained at one end by a mug of tea and at the other end by a single malt. Vendors wishing to consign stock through John Pye Technical can do so in the full knowledge that we will get excellent financial returns and also deliver fully compliant services to that vendor. Please get in touch today to discuss how John Pye Technical can assist your business.